For years, military and law enforcement, marksmen, and snipers have trusted the Phantom as their go-to pack for rifle carry and kit. Like most Eberlestock packs, the Phantom is known for its durability, modularity, and purpose-built design for professionals in the field. The patented back scabbard will allow a sniper to carry their long gun into a shooting position while carrying an M4 or a carbine in hand for closer security. The scabbard can be tucked away out of the way for more streamlined use and comes with the scabbard cover to protect the weapon and optics against dirt and debris getting in. The distinguishing feature of the Phantom is its modular capabilities. The first configuration allows the pack to be unzipped from the scabbard to simply carry a weapon on the back. Similarly, the hip belt and shoulder harness can be transferred from the scabbard portion of the pack to the pack itself, essentially transforming the Phantom into a standalone half track. On the sides of the Phantom, you'll find deep saddlebag pockets, allowing quick access to smaller items. Inside the main compartment is a Velcro partition panel to separate items internally, as well as additional organizational features such as the top lid pocket, radio panel, elastic stuff pockets, and plenty of MOLLE webbing to attach pouches and accessories. You'll also find a hydration hanger on either side of the Phantom, as well as side carry handles and quick detachment buckles on the shoulder harness to quickly remove the pack when wearing a plate carrier. An included and stowable rainfly is found in the zippered pocket under the pack for quick and easy deployment for when your conditions take a turn for the worse. Side compression straps help secure additional gear externally, while the side compartments add organization and volume for gear that needs to be readily available in the field. The Phantom is one of the longest standing packs in the Eberlestock line because it has proven itself mission capable year after year. If you have any questions regarding the Phantom or any Eberlestock gear, please utilize our Gear Pro 101 program, where we will answer your gear specific questions with a custom video walking you through the product. Please simply email customerservice@eberlestock.com with the subject line Gear Pro. Go check out the Phantom online at eberlestock.com and get out there.